G'day, I'm Nicole.
And I'm Mel from Cardo & Partners Property. Welcome to Swell Woolgoolga. We're on site today bringing you a quick update as the first stage of this coastal land release really starts to take shape.
This is your first look at the progress, and with 85% sold, you can see how well this community is positioned. Boutique, elevated, and just minutes from Wiigulga Town Centre and beaches.
This is just the beginning of this exciting new estate. Get in touch with us today for further details. We look forward to showing you.